This is a case of male pattern hair loss level 7. This is a 40-year-old man, and we have done the Smart FUE. Today is day 7. He have done a mega session, that means 4,000 grafts. When we did the follicle scope, the donor area was good, the density was high, the hair caliber was good, it was thick. Thicker hair will get more coverage. To get a success result in 11/7, the team have to do a proper surgical planning and surgical organization of the graft. Day 7, Smart FUE, this is a donor area, 4,000 grafts already been taken out in the mega session. He has healed very well. The hairline was placed to give him a matured appearance, and we put it here so that we have enough graft to move from front, mid scalp to the crown. All the micro scalp already out. You can see the hair, the density, the angle direction is all in a properly place, and the density around mid scalp and crown also is good enough. In 8 or 9 months time, when the hair get fuller, will give him a good coverage. We have done the mega section, 4,000 grafts. What would you like to share with us?
So when I came to GLOJAS, I had very thin hair from my top to the back, and it was almost bald. I could see the hair growing in such a way on day 7 today that the density in the side areas and the planted areas looks exactly same. It is astonishing that GLOJAS can do such a miracle job with the hair. Thank you, GLOJAS. Dr. Jess, you are the best.